Good evening, friends. This is time for a trade review for 18th of November and plus a trade plan for our YouTube subscribers for tomorrow, which is 19th of November 2020. Now, first of all, I am hugely grateful for the massive response our join button has received. For many years, I was unable to execute this sort of a product at these prices, and a lot of our work remained away from the average trader or the investor. But now the numbers are making up for the prices being reduced to that extent. So I think everybody is comfortable. I am comfortable. People who are taking the services are comfortable. So now let's have a quick look at what we suggested to our join button people so that others who are considering subscribing, they get a taste of what we did today. So basically, let's go and have a look at the community tab of our YouTube channel. So basically, early morning we suggested before the market open that people should try to get long on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. We suggested 12,900 as the Nifty call option, the weekly call option, and also we suggested uh, the Bank Nifty option of I think 29,300. Let me just check. So this is 11 hours ago, November 19, 12,900 call and 29,300 call. Okay. So these were the instructions for the day traders on the index. Again, on a swing basis, we suggested swing traders should build positions in Larsen, Cummins, and ABB. Again, you saw how Larsen and ABB worked. For day trading, we suggested shorts on the tech stocks, which because of market movement did not work out, but no major loss here. So we had long positions on capital goods and long positions on the index, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now this is the money one of our students made, which was 92,240. Okay. This is what I made, 3,62,413. And this is another join button client who made 9,970. Not bad. And what does he say? Dear Guruji, 1 month's payment that I made today has already been recovered. Please find attached statement for your reference. Thanks a lot and honored to be part of your team. Now, let me show you another message. This guy wrote on Facebook. Darshan Paranjpe says, now the next learning is holding the position for mega profit. This is the 92,000 guy. By the way, today's profit was booked in just 1 minute. Again, saying the same thing, sir. You are changing my life. So, this is the experience that people are having. So, you know, see it from the horse's mouth. That is my opinion. Again, we have brought great products at very low prices. We have a recorded webinar training that is right now available for 2000 plus GST, which is about 2348. And that basically teaches you what we do and how we trade and why we get on the front foot and take positions early in the morning. Having said all of this, now, if you want that recorded webinar, please WhatsApp 98710 Also email on ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL at yahoo.com. If you have any questions regarding the join button, that is the WhatsApp and email that you need to contact. On the Nifty, there is no looking back, and what is happening these days is that each time the market gets into this sort of a sideways mode, which it did even today, you have to go ahead and buy. And finally, you come out on the upside. So no point looking for fancy corrections, fancy dips. Right now, it's a roll-on market and you got to go with the trend. Avoid trying to go short and try to buy the moment you go flat. The benefit is that options become cheaper. For tomorrow, initial part of the day, chances are we will be flat and options become very, very cheap. So I would think that you should get some sort of soft market in the early part of the day, and that will allow you to build positions on the Bank Nifty. Again, today for a long time, the Bank Nifty was range bound. See, this is the time you have to act as a day trader. What is our position on the swing basis? I don't think we have a position on a swing basis, because for a swing trader, you first need a downswing to happen before you can take a position. You got this minor downswing 27,800, where I said that the Bank Nifty is getting back into expansion. But other than that, you've not had major downswings on the downside. So the idea remains that you have to remain long on both Nifty and Bank Nifty and continue to buy the dips. Now, just want to show you what happened with ABB. This is ABB USA. We want ABB India. This is the bar that ABB has formed today. Again, See this accumulation pattern. After many years, ABB is now breaking out. The same thing happened with Larsen. The same thing happened with Bata. Like I said in the morning, this is what Bata is doing. So this is where the risk reward is very favorable. You look at Larsen, it was basically dead for many months and now it is starting to break out and it's moved 200 points in a very short interval. So this is what you need to focus on. You focus on things which are moving now. Now is not the time to get into a Reliance or a tech stock, etc. These are the sort of stocks which are moving. For this and much more, get on the join button. It is now very affordable, very cheap. These sort of ideas are routinely discussed. If you want to know how it's done, buy the recorded webinar again. This is the cheapest training I have sold. This live, seminar stroke webinar used to go for 50,000 bucks. Okay. We have taken out all costs out from it. So definitely it is worth considering to take your trading to the next level for all times to come. So that should be it for right now. Take care, trade well, and please let us know if you have any questions. Have a nice trading day tomorrow.